Hello English learners. Welcome to my channel. In today's episode, I have a new word for you. Vaunt. Let's find out what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversation. But if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Vaunt. If you describe something as vaunted, or much vaunted, you mean that people praise it more than it deserves. Vaunt. It's a verb. Basically, vaunt means to praise or express pride in one's own possessions, qualities, or accomplishments, often to excess. Its synonyms are boast, brag, blow, crow. Let's take few examples. Example 1. The country's vaunted educational system is not as good as once thought. Example 2. Their much vaunted reforms did not materialize. Example 3. His vaunted new scheme has been shown to have serious weaknesses. Example 4. This was not a mere empty vaunt, but a deliberate avowal of real sentiments. That is the end of today's episode. Please do subscribe to our channel for more words. Thank you.